Hey everyone, Mike here with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, the home of easy-to-use and versatile Excel tools designed to simplify your life. Today, I'm excited to introduce a tool that's truly a game changer, our Convert Latitude and Longitude to Address tool. With this powerful tool, you can instantly convert latitude and longitude coordinates into physical addresses, all without leaving Excel. At ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, we've been crafting innovative Excel tools for over 16 years, helping more than 7,500 customers worldwide, from small businesses to major corporations. Our tools have earned over 130 five-star Google reviews from satisfied users who've seen firsthand how much time and effort they save. But don't just take my word for it. Check out the reviews yourself. If you work in data analysis, real estate, logistics, or any field that involves location data, this tool is designed to make your job easier. No more manual lookups, copying and pasting data, or switching between applications. Everything you need is seamlessly built into Excel. Using this tool couldn't be simpler. Just paste your latitude and longitude coordinates into columns A and B of your spreadsheet. If your coordinates are combined in one column, Excel's built-in text-to-columns or simple formulas can quickly separate them. Once that's set up, hit the Run button, and within seconds, the tool will generate the full street address, city, state, and zip code accurately and effortlessly. And here's the best part. It works for addresses worldwide, not just in the US. Whether you have dozens or thousands of coordinates to convert, this tool will get the job done in minutes, saving you from hours of tedious manual work. Ready to simplify your workflow? Download the Convert Latitude and Longitude to Address tool now using the link in the description and see how much time you can save. What truly sets us apart is our commitment to exceptional customer service. Have questions or need help? We're here for you. You can reach us by phone, email, or live chat at ExcelDistanceCalculators.com. And yes, you'll be speaking to a real person, not a bot. Our goal is to provide you the best white glove service you'll ever have. Need a customized solution? We've built hundreds of custom tools tailored to businesses just like yours. Let us know your specific requirements, and we'll create a solution designed to fit your needs. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like this video, drop a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to stay updated on our latest Excel tools. Until next time, happy converting.